basketball coliseum here in Barangay Taytay. This is the biggest.
This is the biggest one, really?
Yes, this is
This
the
is
biggest one.
their.
Oh wow.
And
Their,
this is the museum.
Wow.
Wow.
But we're just going to the former councilor of
May
Duero,
secretary.
Mr. Bagutsay.
Okay.
He's the one going to guide us.
To meet us up there, yes.
Okay. Thank you
That
so
is
much
a-
for arranging all this for me.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
You're better than most tour guides.
In the NCIP, the one we're asking the permit to enter here. It is here. The staff there is from here, from Taytay.
Oh, really?
Their former Sangguniang Kabataan chairman. So I've asked his help for your permit to enter here.
Oh, thank you.
So now we're going down. So that was the highest up there, yeah?
Thank you for arranging all that.
Yeah, may tao po dito siguro.
Kagawad? So,
Di ato ko nung kagawad, bagot siya. Ani,
Oh, I saw him earlier driving.
kapitan ba?
No. Bao.
Yeah, I saw him drive. You saw him, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, he looks driving
do you feel the air right
Yes.
now?
Oh, it is
It's
nice.
different.
Oh, much cooler
Much
over here.
cooler, yeah.
It is hot, but
Ay, ang bay.
Not
the air
as
is
hot.
different.
Yeah.
Oh, so young, yeah?
Kapitan? Kila kapitan?
Di ba talas kapitan nito?
Baka daw nandun kila kapitan daw.
Kaya nag-open naman ang ilang tribal center.
Wala kayo ma'am kasi ata, di-advisean sila ma'am.
Kapitan mo kayo na silba.
That is big.
This is their normal school.
Okay.
But the school also adapted the Skayan way of teaching, so they have their iPad. The
Oh,
Department
really?
of Education also
Good.
included in their curriculum here, the iPad.
Really?
have Wi-Fi
So
up
they're
here.
high tech then.
Yeah.
It's better than Hawaii schools. Much better than Hawaii school.
They are teaching their also in the normal curriculum their way of teaching the Iskaya, but the Iskaya have their school Iskaya Sunday school.
Oh, yes.
every
on Sunday. Yes.
After they're going to mass, they will go there.
Yes.
They will have to study their language and their
So
Nice.
who pays for the iPads? Is it the barangay or
no, the iPad is integrated in the
in the school system? So
yes.
it's in the school budget then?
yes.
That's smart.
But they have also their Iskaya Sunday school.
Yeah, different
Yes.
different language, yeah. That's right. Wow.
Our driver Diego, he saw the officials of Barangay Taytay is already in the museum.
Oh, okay.
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 What is BAPA office?
BAPA is their association of the no, BAPA is the Buheko the
Papa?
I just saw a small building with it says the sign. BAPA office, yes. Senior citizen office. Oh, drop me off here.
Senior citizen. Oh, they are dropping off.
Oh, is this it right here?